Happy New Year! I wanted to show you everything that I've bought for my 2021 planner. I bought these dashboards on Etsy. They are blank in the back, and I did have to punch them myself, but I wanted to show you each one. I bought 12, one for each month. Before I go any further, I do want to share that I am feeling a little under the weather. I have allergies and ended up with an upper respiratory infection. So that's why I sound very raspy and very sick. But other than that, I feel totally fine and very grateful for my health overall. Okay, moving on. I bought 12 of these as I mentioned, and I will share the Etsy shop down below. I shopped mostly on Etsy for all of the things, and I did decide to go with a happy planner. At the end of the video, I will show you which months I put the dashboards on. Okay, so this is the happy planner that I got for 2021. It's the minimalist, I believe. I did change the rings out, but I ended up changing those rings out as well. Yes, the minimalism happy planner, and I really liked it. I decided to keep the happy planner because I have the punch and I just bought all the accessories for this planning system, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it. And I really like that you can input or put in a lot more stuff with just punching it in, so I really did like that. So it had a really cool dashboard layout, as you can see here, and it has a vertical layout for the weekly. This is the monthly view, so I'll just give you an overview because I'm sure there's tons of these minimalist happy planner videos out there. This is going to be my memory keeping planner. I do have another like everyday, dump all planner that I will be using that is a lot more functional. I'll show you my planner lineup. Once everything comes in from the mail, I am missing a few items still. And the only thing that I cannot find is rings. So if you know of any rings, please let me know. Okay, so I had already torn into a kit that I got from Etsy. I didn't really like it in the end, so I'm not going to buy another one of these kits. But I wanted to lay something on the planner now so I can get a feel for planning. As you can see, this is what I came up with. I'm not too happy about it. I had to cut up this kind of like checklist and use that as the date headers. So I just didn't like that I had to do that. But I really liked the material of it. It was very matte and very soft to touch. And that I really did like. This is my first year trying this vertical layout like this. So I just wanted to get a feel for it and see what it was, how it was going to look and everything. So that's okay that this first month spread or first week spread is not the best. But I decided to work with the happy planner, not against it. So I will be still buying these weekly kits, but I'm not going to do them like the EC or anything with the washi tape at the bottom. I'm probably going to put the washi tape at the top like I have here, just because I need to work with this happy planner. These are the kits that I bought for January. I also went ahead and purchased again from the same shop. And then I bought this really cute monthly layout sticker kit that I really, really like. But the shop is like on vacation right now or whatever it is. But I really like this layout of the monthly because it has a dashboard stickers. Again, I will post everything down below so you can see where I got everything from. These are so cute. They're the January or the month of January stickers. These are like the individual box, the weekly or the day box ones. I'm not sure what these are for, but I kept them for my weekly layouts. And they have a couple payday stickers, a Martin Luther King one, which I probably won't be using because it's a little bit too, like, it doesn't go with the spread really. This is like a monthly checklist. The date dots, so cute. What I really like about this kit is that it has a monthly sort of dashboard layout that a lot of other kits don't have for the monthly tracker. As you can see here, it's got like a monthly tracker, monthly notes, something that you can put all of your monthly goals or something on. That's what I'm going to use it for. So I really like that. But the shop is unfortunately closed right now, but I'll check it out later. I bought these kits that I will go ahead and show you. They're so cute. Um, I will show you each one once I use them later on. I did buy these work stickers. I decided I'm going to go with the whole rose gold theme. So any kind of wording, I'm going to try to do rose gold. I do plan on filming weekly spreads. Hopefully I can get to them, although I am going to skip this first week because it's really not cute. But I'll show you these in more detail once I do the weekly spreads. Right now I'm just going to give you a quick overview. All the kits from her shop have the same amount of sheets. They're just in different colorways, but I really like them all. I like that cleaning checklist and the date, day of the week little headers. I'm so bad at saying what these stickers are called. They all have like official names, but I don't know them at all. So sorry. I know that everyone has said not to plan for new year and to go into this year quietly, but I'm not going to do that. I'm challenging you to do the same. Like, go in with big dreams and big goals and big expectations, because we just can't be afraid to dream big, because our 2020 was such a year. So I'm going into 2021 with all the dreams and all the plans and expectations, and I am looking forward to a great new year. What is coming is so much better than what is gone. That is the um like theme for the year, I think, for myself. And it's also the planner book here that I got. It also says something along those lines. So I really want to believe in that and put my hope in that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my dashboards in. I'm sorry I didn't show you January, but it was that wintry type kit. February was like a heart, obviously, for Valentine's Day. March is for all the books. I have hefty reading goals this year, which I will share with you later on. April is my birth month, so obviously I had to go with, queen vibes. May is, all about spring and Mother's Day and tea parties and everything. So I wanted to get a dashboard that had that in mind. For June, that is actually my anniversary, my husband's and I anniversary. So I wanted to pay homage to that with this dashboard, rocking the spoiled wife life. The rest of the year, they're obviously pretty self explanatory. July is, all Americana vibes. August at work and, everywhere else, I think we start ramping up for a new school year. At work, it gets really busy. So it's just a reminder to just breathe, enjoy the little things like daisies and flowers and the outdoors. For September, we're already wrapping up and going into fall, so I really liked this dashboard here. It's got like a cozy feel to it. And then for October, obviously we had to go with the witchy vibes for Halloween and even Dia de los Muertos. For November, obviously I had to go with the Thanksgiving look. I have also, a little bit of a domestic goal for this year. I will share all my goals and dreams with you in a separate video, as I have always done. So sorry, my voice is going out. And this is my dreaming of a pink Christmas for next year. I am so excited. I love this planner. I love the whole look of it. There you see what is coming is far better than what is past or what is gone, I think. It did add a little bit of thickness to it, but I'm okay with it. I even got a different cover for it because I went with the whole rose gold theme. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope you subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!